To query the data for one of your connections in Power BI, you will need to get your database credentials and enter those into Power BI to connect to the database. To get your database credentials, navigate to the connection dashboard for the connection you wish to query. For this example, I am using my connection to my HubSpot account. From here, click Start Reporting, then View Credentials. Leave this little window open while we jump over to Power BI or note the credentials down. Here in Power BI, I've just opened a new blank report. To add your data, click SQL Server from the ribbon menu here. Now, copy and paste the server and database details from your dashboard. Here, you need to switch to the Database tab and enter your username and password as per your database credentials. Hit Connect and Power BI will connect to your database. If you are having trouble with your login being accepted, but you've triple-checked your server, database, username, and password details, try opening Power BI in administrator mode. Or, if you're in an office, perhaps you have some firewall restrictions. Once connected, you can see all of your connection schemas. I just want to check out my HubSpot data today, so I'm going to copy over the schema name for my HubSpot connection from the database credentials. Here are all the tables of data that SyncHub has been syncing. I'd like to view my deal data, so I'm going to select that and hit Load. You can preview the data for each of your tables on the right here. Note that you can select multiple tables to be loaded in at once. I have sped up some footage of me creating and styling a pretty basic column chart that shows the sum amount of my deals over time. Remember that even though SyncHub will keep your HubSpot data automatically up to date, Power BI needs to be manually refreshed whenever you revisit these reports. Navigate here to the Home menu and hit Refresh. Wait for this process to complete, and Power BI has now brought your most up-to-date data down from SyncHub.